Let's start design YouTube thumbnail. Bring an image of girls in uniform and adjust it. Put hue and saturation and dot drag the value to dark side and clip with background. Bring main object in the center and adjust it. Put curves on and drag to downward and clip with main object. Click on the mask of curve layer, brush it on girl face with black foreground color. Now brush it on girl face with white foreground color just a little. Bring torn paper in PNG form and dot place it back of the girl. Make a copy of torn paper and dot place it on other side and adjust it. Take a pen tool and make a shape between the torn paper with red color. Make the shape opacity low. Bring dotted image in PNG and dot change its color to white and adjust it. Apply mask on dotted image and remove it from shape with brush black foreground color. Make a copy of dotted image and dot do the same on the other side. Bring pen paper in PNG and adjust it. Bring different images and adjust it on pen paper. Write text on empty pen paper with font cond. Write another text with font cond with red gradient, inner shadow and drop shadow. Write another text with gray gradient, dot same inner shadow and drop shadow. Take a new layer and put black dot transparent gradient behind text. Make square with only stroke and dot place it with pin paper text. After completing press, Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus E to make a one layer. Convert it to Smart Object and dot put Camera Raw filter from Filters. Thank you for watching.